there, it's Ashley from WTI, and if you are looking for a tablet for your child, I highly recommend this one. This is the Amazon Fire 7 Kids tablet for ages 3 to 7, and this is the 7-inch screen. I really like this one because not only does it come with a built-in case, it also has a stand, but the most important feature for us as parents is that it comes with downloaded games, books, and entertainment for your child that is age appropriate. It's not going to allow your child to get out of this tablet and go to the internet and download something that they shouldn't be on, or allow a predator onto your tablet. So we really like that feature of this tablet, is that we can control everything our kid does. One of my favorite features of this tablet is that I can actually time it out. So we have it set that he can only use this for 1 hour. And that hour can be broken up. So if he wants to do 30 minutes in the morning and 30 minutes in the afternoon. It also has a timeout as far as the time of day it's going to start and the time of day it's going to end. So you can say, oh, he can use it anytime between 10 and 5 or 8 to 2, or whatever your preferences are. So I would highly recommend this. It's easy to navigate. It has a ton of really interesting things, fun things for your kid to do. And then the most important part, of course, is that it's worry-free and you're not concerned about their safety. So that's my point of view.